Yes, ma'am. I want to do.
Okay. One prayer will be done by Kia. That is everything I am, and God bless me will done by Ayansh. Okay.
Okay.
Chalo. Everyone, join your hands. Close your eyes. Yes, Kia.
Everything I am, everything I be, I give it to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully, thankfully. Every song I sing, every praise I bring, everything I do is a gift to you. Everything I have, everything I be, I give it to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully, thankfully.
Very good, Kia. Well done. Good job, huh? Chalo, Ayansh. Now your turn. You will say thank you, God.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, God. Thank you, God, for the words of sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. You, God, for the God, everything. God bless you.
Say. Okay. God bless you. God bless you. Good morning. Good morning, all of you. And yes, well done, Ayansh, and well done to Kia. Both of you, very nice, huh? You remember the prayer very nicely. Good. So please write down the date in the chat box, and everyone take your maths
You,
notebook.
ma'am.
You're welcome. Take your maths notebook and write down the date in the chat box. So,
I done. Ma'am,
yes, today is the last.
Thursday. Ma'am, 10 is coming. Ma'am,
Okay, so yes, yes.
there are 30 and the 10 is coming. New year.
Not new year, new month is going to start, right? From tomorrow, the new month will start. So today is the last day of the month. And yes, everyone, you all have written the correct date. Let me check once again. So Yanvi, Kia, Nivan, Shiven, Shlok, Hriday, Laksh, Prayag, Het, Paki, Arav, Ayansh, all the dates are correct. Okay. So today is the last day of the month. From tomorrow, the new month will start. Which month will start?
October.
Yes,
October.
correct. Which month will start? October.
October.
Yes.
October.
So today is the 30th September. So 39, 2021, and the day is Thursday. Okay.
Diwali, yay!
Diwali. Now,
In November, I like it Diwali.
everybody likes bacha. Even ma'am like Diwali. You get holidays, right? That's why you like it?
Yeah, we eat ice creams.
Okay, take your maths notebook.
Only sweet. Prasad.
Prashad. Okay. Now take your maths notebook as we are going to the number names, and today we are going to do the last number name, that is 20. Okay? 2020. The spelling of 20 we will write today. So take your maths notebook, open the fresh page, write down the date and the topic.
I'm done.
Who are done?
A date and a topic done.
Okay, just a minute. हाँ बच्चा
20 की स्पेलिंग आती है.
आती है Very nice.
T and TY 20.
Very good. So yes, write down the date and the spelling of 20 is TWENTY. 20. Okay? TWENTY 20. Write down in a good handwriting slowly. Khana, come on, take your maths notebook and you have to write the spelling of 20. TWENTY 20. Show me.
Ma'am, my already page done.
Good, good. Very good hit. Yes, yeah, Khanak, what you want to say? Acha, Shiven is also done. Very nice, Shiven. Good.
Ma'am, I done.
You are also done? Okay, Kia. And Khanak, you have to finish it fast today, okay? Everybody write down 20. TWENTY. 20.
I already know. TWE and TY
Well, 20.
20.
Mm. And I have given a worksheet for Hindi to print day before yesterday. Do you all remember? Day before yesterday, I have given you the Hindi worksheet. So we are going to do that today in the class. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
It is day before yesterday I have uploaded, not yesterday. Day before yesterday I have uploaded that worksheet. So we are going to do today in the class. Yes, ma'am. Shivain, correct. That one. Yes, Imai, you want to say something, bacha?
I'm done.
Kanak, done. Show me. Ah. Now, how did you finish today early? Fast? And what about every day? No need to
I'm
laugh.
done.
Just a minute, Hime. Every day you are doing time pass, right? Today you have finished it fast. Now you will sit in the class and you will pay attention. Do the recap of number name from 11 to 20. Yes, Hime, show me, but show me your notebook. Very good, Hime. Very good. Nice. यहाँ पे 2 सिर्फ लिखा है. You have to write 2 0. 0 is missing over there. Otherwise, everything is correct, बच्चा. Good. Hime, good, बच्चा. Good. Last, you have written only 2. Add 0 over there. Yes, yes. Perfect. Perfect. Hime, perfect. Yes, Vedika, just a minute. I'll see. Yes, show me now. Keep it near the camera.
Ma'am.
Now I can. Just a minute. Madam. Yes, yes. Now perfect. Very good. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah, Vedika.
Thank you,
Yes,
ma'am.
Arav. Show me your notebook. Good, Arav. Well done. Nice.
Mama, ma'am ने एम की तो well done, nice. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome, Arav. Danish, you are writing, I hope, right? Finish it fast, Danish.
Done.
Just a minute, Hriday, I'll see yours, bacha, okay? Just a minute. Now show me, Hriday. Very good. Neat and tidy, very nice. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome, bacha. Yes, Shlok, I can't see properly.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, bacha, you're welcome. Shlok, I can see now. Good. Nivan is also done. Okay, Nivan, good. He's not there to listen. Nivan, where are you? Went washroom?
Ma'am, can I say the spelling?
No, just wait. I'll ask. Okay, yes, Arav, you can show me your worksheet. Show me your worksheet.
Ma'am, done.
Done, Paki?
Yes.
Good, very nice. Good. Handwriting is also nice, Paki. Good.
Thank you.
Okay, just a minute. Others finish it. This is not the worksheet you have to finish. This is not the worksheet you have to finish. This is the we are going to do today. Now what you will do? You will write it in the notebook now, Arav. I was
That's
talking
all your
about the
document.
worksheet.
We have to take printout of this worksheet, no?
Just a minute. I'll see once again. I think just give me a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
कुछ नहीं. Ma'am,
Hmm?
my mother is getting printout.
Okay, that's it's okay. We are going to do that worksheet at in the last class, so don't worry. Not now.
मैम मैंने फर्स्ट ही पेज किया है, सेकंड पेज नहीं किया है.
अच्छा, पर पहले आपने 20 नंबर नेम फिनिश कर लिया?
नो मैम.
No? Then finish it right now. That is the worksheet of E ki matra, right? I have
Yes,
given.
ma'am.
Yes, just a minute. I'll check once again.
Ma'am,
Bachcha.
done.
Done. Just a minute. Laksh, I'll check yours.
Writing portion.
Arav, just a minute. Bachcha, I'll check. Just a minute. Okay, yes, Ayansh, mother, please show me the worksheet. Which worksheet you are showing me?
Ma'am, done.
Just a minute. Yes, this is the worksheet. Correct.
है ना? Okay.
Yes.
4 worksheets are there, no?
Yes.
Okay.
Prayag, I can see your notebook, bacha. Very good.
मुझे खाना.
Laksh, even yours is good. Nicely written. Good. Handwriting is also nice. And yes, Arav, show me the worksheet. This worksheet we are going to do it today, bacha. You have to show me the Friday worksheet. This is the Hindi worksheet which we are going to do it today. I told
Wait
you
a
just
moment.
take the printout of the worksheet. Yeah. Okay. Next page. Did he finish? Because I can't see it, ma'am, actually.
Yes, Arav has finished.
Because I think so the writing is very light, so I can't see it on the screen. Yeah, this one I can
No,
see.
it's
Yeah, that
done,
is
man.
correct. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome.
Yes, Ayansh. Yes, Ayansh, very good. Even I can see you're writing 20. Good. Now I will ask the spelling of 20 to everyone one by one. Chalo, Ayansh, we will start with you. Tell me the spelling of 20.
20.
Hmm.
T
Don't.
W
Hmm.
E N D.
But last.
Last is Y.
Very good. TWENTY 20. Very good. You remember it, but why you are acting like TW? Huh? Huh? It's difficult or easy? Huh, Ayansh?
Difficult. Arey.
Difficult. It's easy. Chalo. Next will be given
Nine.
by Prayag. Prayag, you will tell me the spelling of 20. Yanvi, yes, that is
अरे
your
उसको
worksheet.
11 to 20 सब बोलना है.
Okay, so Prayag, I will give you the chance at the end. Okay, let me ask everyone and then you will do the recap. Okay?
Okay.
Chalo. Kanak, tell me the spelling of 20. Stop playing.
TW ENTY.
ENTY. TTY nahi. TWENTY.
Ma'am.
Yes. Arav, tell me the spelling of 20, bacha.
TWENTY. 20.
Very good. Correct. Now, Laksh, you will tell me. 20.
11 to 20 batala.
No, not now. You just right now will say only 20.
TWENTY.
Correct. Very good. Yanvi, you will tell me 20.
Ma'am, sorry. There's a power cut.
It's okay.
WENTY. 20.
Very good.
Worksheet na?
हाँ बच्चा भाई वर्कशीट करेक्ट. Vedika, you will tell me now.
TWENTY.
TWENTY. Okay.
Ma'am.
Now, Paki, you will tell me the spelling of 20.
TWENTY.
Hriday, your chance. 20. Yes, Hriday.
TWENTY.
Very good. Correct. Hime, your chance. 20.
TWENTY.
Correct. 20. Now, Shivain, you will speak the spelling of 20, bacha now.
TWENTY. 20.
Correct. Very good. Now, Shlok.
TWENTY. 20.
Correct. Danish, spelling of 20. Are you there? Danish. Okay, Nivan, tell me the spelling of 20. Nivan.
T-W-E-N-T-Y.
Okay, correct. Now, Kia, you will tell me the spelling of 20. Yes, Danish, I saw your book, bacha. Good. Okay, Danish, tell me the spelling of 20.
T-W-E-N-T-Y.
Very good. Now, hate.
T-W-E-N-T-Y.
Very good. Now, Prayag will give us recap from 11 to 20. Yes, Prayag? Chalo.
E-L-E-V-E-N 11, T-W-E-L-V-E 12, T-I-R
Third.
Eight.
T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13, F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 14, F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15, S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16, S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N 17, E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N 18, N-I-N-E N-I-N-E-T-E-N 19, T-W-E-N-T-Y 20.
Very good, very good. Well done, Prayag. Good.
Thank you.
So, with the help of Prayag, we have done the recap of 11 to 20. Thank you, Prayag. Yes, Kia? Kia, you are raising hand. You want to say something or you will say the spelling of 20?
Spelling of 20.
Tell me the spelling.
20.
E-L-E-V-E-N 11, T-W-E-L-V-E 12, T-H-I-R-T-E-N 13, F-O-U-R-T-E-N 14, F-I-F-T-E-N 15, S-F-I-X-T-E-N 16, S-E-V-E-N-T-E-N 17, E-I-G-H-T-E-N 18, N-I-N-E-T-E-N 19, T-W-E-N-T-Y 20.
थकी गई
Okay.
मैम थक गई इतने में तो
Well done, Kia. Good. So, here we are done with our maths class. Okay. And we have done with number names from 1 to 20. Okay. Class. Bye-bye.
मैम
Yes, Yanvi, bacha.
मैम ये लास्ट पेज में है ना, लास्ट पेज में है ना, ऐसा ही आया था.
Okay. कोई बात नहीं. It's okay. We'll see when we will do